Okay, so explain what you're doing. What is it?
It's cod.
It's cod in aluminum foil.
Very fine.
It in aluminum foil.
Yeah, an aluminum pan.
Okay. How long has it been in there?
I'm sorry. Goes for 45 minutes on a 350.
Okay. So you just put it in the pan?
Yes. Dad put paprika on it and he put a sauce on it.
What sauce did he put on it? Where's the paprika?
Sprinkle it on. There it is, right there.
How much do you sprinkle on? Like,
To coat the fish.
okay. And then what else did he put on it?
The sauce is made with lemon,
How much lemon?
butter.
How much butter?
I don't know. You have to ask that. And pasta for you.
Okay, so you're making mashed potatoes?
Right, mashed potatoes.
How'd you get the potatoes?
Boil the water. Peel
Okay.
the potatoes, cut them up, put them in the water.
What kind of potatoes? Brown?
Eastern potatoes.
From where?
The supermarket.
Where did you get the cod from?
Supermarket.
Which supermarket?
ShopRite.
ShopRite. Okay. And then where are you making pasta?
For you.
Where's the pasta at? Under the tea kettle? Doing it with that one at the back left?
Yes. That'll be for your pasta.
Okay. What kind of pasta are you making?
Orecchiette.
Where's the Orecchiette?
Somebody shoot me, please.
I could edit that out. Move it away from your face. I don't want your face in my thing.
I don't want it.
Orecchiette. Okay, so that's those are those. How long do you cook them in the boiling water for? And then that's it?
Drain.
What kind of sauce are you going to use on them?
Sauce from the fish.
Oh, cool. Sounds good.